Hands-on genetic algorithms with Python. Apply genetic algorithms to solve real-world AI and machine learning problems by Eyal Wirsansky is an essential guide for those looking to integrate genetic algorithms into AI and machine learning applications. This book offers a hands-on approach to understanding and applying genetic algorithms in Python, making use of popular libraries like DEAP, scikit-learn, and NumPy. Key takeaways. Genetic algorithms. The book introduces the foundational principles of genetic algorithms and demonstrates their differences from traditional algorithms. It emphasizes genetic algorithms' applications in solving complex problems like planning, scheduling, gaming, and analytics. Practical applications. Readers learn to enhance machine learning models, optimize deep learning architectures, and develop reinforcement learning and natural language processing applications using genetic algorithms. The book also covers the implementation of explainable AI using genetic algorithms, offering insights into improving model transparency and decision-making. Advanced topics. The second edition expands on advanced applications of genetic algorithms in natural language processing and explainable AI, and discusses speeding up genetic algorithms through concurrency and cloud computing. The book introduces bio-inspired algorithms such as particle swarm optimization and NEAT, offering a broader perspective on evolutionary computation. Hands-on projects. The book concludes with an image reconstruction project using genetic algorithms, showcasing practical implementation and inspiring future applications. Additionally, it explores topics like elitism, niching, and multiplicity to improve optimization strategies. By the end of this book, readers will have practical experience applying genetic algorithms across various AI and machine learning fields, enhancing their skills in deploying scalable, efficient solutions using Python. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.